In the vast and intricate tapestry of human achievement, certain creations stand out not just for their size, but for their sheer audacity and vision. These are the landmarks that redefine what is possible. Among these marvels, China's Three Gorges Dam emerges as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. More than just a towering wall of concrete, it stands as the world's largest hydroelectric power station, a symbol of engineering ambition and a beacon of modern progress. Completed in 2006, its goals were monumental and multifaceted: to generate clean electricity, control the Yangtze's notorious floods, and open vital shipping routes deep into China's heartland, transforming the region's economy. The scale of this project is staggering. A mile-long, 600-foot-high dam, creating a reservoir that stretches nearly 400 miles, holding an astonishing 10 trillion gallons of water. This was not merely construction, it was a deliberate act of reshaping the land itself, requiring decades of meticulous planning and a massive workforce, all driven by a vision of a new future. The dam's primary function is to generate more electricity than any other hydroelectric facility on Earth, significantly reducing China's reliance on coal and paving the way for a cleaner energy future. It also plays a crucial role in regulating water flow, mitigating the catastrophic floods that once plagued the Yangtze's communities, offering them safety and stability. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a powerful tool for progress, yet it also serves as a poignant reminder of the immense responsibility that comes with altering the planet on such a grand scale. It challenges us to consider the true costs and limits of our technological ambitions, urging us to reflect on the balance between human advancement and environmental stewardship. In 2010, NASA scientists made a discovery that truly stunned the world and sent ripples through the scientific community. Their research revealed something almost unimaginable. The Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest hydroelectric project, had a measurable effect on the entire planet. After years of careful calculations, they found that the dam's enormous reservoir, holding over 39 trillion kilograms of water, was so massive that it actually changed Earth's rotation and even shifted its axis. The sheer weight of the water increased the length of a day by 0.06 microseconds, an amount far too small for us to notice in daily life, but a change that is scientifically profound and measurable with modern instruments. Even more astonishing, the dam's impact was so significant that it shifted the planet's axis by about 2 centimeters, a movement previously thought possible only through massive natural events. This marked the first time in history that a human-made structure was proven to influence planetary dynamics, a realm once reserved for the immense forces of earthquakes and tidal shifts. The revelation sparked both awe and concern worldwide, highlighting humanity's growing power to shape not just our environment, but the very mechanics of the planet itself. The Three Gorges Dam quickly became a symbol of the Anthropocene, an era defined by the profound impact of human activity as a geological force, capable of altering Earth on a planetary scale. This discovery forced engineers, scientists, and policymakers to confront a new reality. Our largest projects can have consequences that reach far beyond their immediate surroundings, affecting the entire globe. The dam now stands as a powerful case study in how our ambitions are etched not just on landscapes, but on the very mechanics of Earth itself, altering the planet in ways we are only beginning to understand. This discovery is a humbling reminder of the immense scale of our influence and how even our greatest achievements can have unexpected, far-reaching effects. It underscores the profound responsibility we bear as we continue to build and shape our world, reminding us that every action we take can leave a lasting mark on the planet we all share. The idea that a dam could affect Earth's rotation sounds like something straight out of science fiction, almost unbelievable at first glance, but this concept is actually rooted in the fundamental laws of physics, and it's a fascinating example of how human engineering can interact with planetary forces. When the massive Three Gorges Dam in China was completed and its reservoir filled, it held back over 42 billion tons of water, raising it to a much higher elevation than before. This enormous volume of water was now concentrated farther from the Earth's axis of rotation. To understand this, picture an ice skater spinning on the spot. When they stretch their arms out, their spin slows down. When they pull their arms in, they spin faster. The dam's reservoir acts just like the skater's arms extended, redistributing mass outward and affecting the spin. By moving so much water farther from the axis, the planet's moment of inertia increased. This change caused Earth's rotation to slow ever so slightly, lengthening the day by a tiny fraction of a second, almost imperceptible to us, but measurable with precise instruments. The effect is minuscule, just a few microseconds added to each day, but it's a direct predictable result of shifting such massive weight on a planetary scale. This phenomenon reveals just how interconnected Earth systems truly are. Even a single engineering project, local in scope, can send ripples across the entire globe, subtly influencing the planet's natural rhythms. The dam's impact is a vivid illustration of physics at work on a planetary scale, showing us that our actions can have consequences far beyond what we might expect. It proves that our infrastructure, no matter how local it may seem, can subtly, but undeniably, alter the very rhythm of our world, changing the length of a day itself. The Earth is not a static backdrop for our activities. It's a dynamic, living system, constantly responding to both natural forces and human actions. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a powerful example of this new reality, reminding us that even our most ambitious projects can leave a mark on the planet itself. At the heart of this phenomenon is the law of conservation of angular momentum. For a spinning object like Earth, if mass moves farther from the axis, the spin slows to keep momentum constant. The Three Gorges Dam lifted 42 billion tons of water, increasing Earth's moment of inertia, like adding weight to a spinning wheel. As a result, Earth's rotation slowed, lengthening the day by 0.06 microseconds. The mass shift also caused a slight wobble, moving the planet's axis by about 2 centimeters. Scientists like Dr. Benjamin Fong Chow at NASA confirmed these effects with precise measurements. While the changes are too small to affect daily life, they're scientifically significant. They show that human engineering can now influence Earth's geophysics. Our largest constructions are no longer just features on the surface, they're part of the planet's dynamic system. The Three Gorges Dam is a testament to the interconnectedness of human actions and planetary processes. To grasp the dam's impact, compare it to nature's mightiest forces. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, magnitude 9.1, shifted Earth's mass and shortened the day by nearly 3 microseconds. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan moved the axis by 17 centimeters and shortened the day by 1.8 microseconds. These cataclysms show the power of geology, but the Three Gorges Dam, a planned human project, produced a geophysical effect in the same league. This comparison marks a turning point. Human activity is now a geological force defining the Anthropocene. Unlike earthquakes, the dam's impact is deliberate and sustained, not sudden and violent. This distinction brings a new level of responsibility. We are now active agents of planetary change. Our choices can have global consequences for generations. The dam is a reminder that progress must be balanced with foresight and caution. We must understand the weight of our actions as we reshape the world. Beyond physics, the dam's human cost is profound. Creating the reservoir meant relocating over 1.2 million people, one of history's largest displacements. Entire towns and centuries-old communities were submerged, severing deep social and cultural ties. The government built new cities, but many struggled to adapt, and the loss of heritage was immense. Thousands of historical and archaeological sites vanished beneath the water, erasing irreplaceable history. The dam's benefits, clean energy, flood control, came at a steep social price, concentrated on those forced to move. This story raises critical questions about who bears the burden of progress. The human toll is a sobering counterpoint to the dam's engineering triumph. The Three Gorges Dam has dramatically altered the Yangtze River's ecosystem. The reservoir transformed a dynamic river into a slow-moving lake, disrupting habitats and blocking fish migration. Populations of native species like the endangered Chinese sturgeon have plummeted. The dam traps sediment, causing coastal erosion and affecting agriculture downstream. Water quality has suffered, with increased pollution and risk of algal blooms. Flooded industrial sites have raised fears of toxic contamination. The immense weight of the reservoir has even triggered seismic activity in the region. While the dam reduces carbon emissions, its environmental costs are steep. It's a stark reminder that even clean energy projects can have destructive ecological footprints. The Three Gorges Dam story is a catalyst for rethinking how we build. Its planetary-scale effects have prompted a global call for responsible innovation. Future mega-projects must consider not just local, but global impacts. We must balance technological advancement with environmental stewardship and social justice. The dam's subtle effects on Earth's spin are a warning. Our actions have consequences. True progress means minimizing harm and ensuring benefits are shared equitably. The dam is a lesson in humility and foresight. Our challenge is to innovate sustainably, protecting the planet for future generations. The Three Gorges Dam is both a triumph of human ingenuity and a humbling reminder of our planetary impact. It forces us to weigh progress against its social and environmental costs. As demand for energy grows, the pressure for more mega-projects will only increase. The dam's legacy is a call for global cooperation and long-term thinking. We must innovate without undermining the systems that sustain us. The choices we make today will shape the world we leave behind. The dam stands as a permanent reminder of the responsibility we carry. Our future depends on finding balance between ambition and stewardship on this spinning planet.